no! It is 7:30.
We are late! David! Wake up!
We overslept.
What time is it? 7:30?
Our flight is at 10 o'clock. Let's move! Anna! Peter! Wake up! Time to go!
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We are going to Costa Rica.
Aha! Costa Rica? Jungle and monkeys?
Yes, but only if we catch the plane.
I am up. Up. I am up.
It's my yellow jacket. Colo jacket.
It is in your drawer. There.
And Peter, find your shoes, please. I cannot find them.
Here, little explorer. Your shoes are under the pillow again.
Thanks, Dad.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us, of course.
No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Good job. Good job, sweetie. Peter, what about you?
I packed my toy car and my hat. Only that?
That? What about clothes?
Oh, right. Clothes, too.
Maybe he is planning to live on the beach.
Not funny, David. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It will be here in 10 minutes.
Oh no, I have not brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine.
Nice try, honey. But still, comb time. Checklist. Passports, check. Tickets, check.
Snacks, check. Chargers, double check. Perfect.
Wait, my monkey toy. Got it. Got it.
Let's go before we miss the flight.
Good morning. Going to the airport?
Terminal 3.
I am so excited. I have never been on a plane before. Really? This will be your first... This will be your first flight? Mom, Do planes have bathrooms?
Yes, small ones. Like toy bathrooms.
Cool! I want to try it.
Not now, Peter. Wait until we are in the sky.
Yeah, you lie.
Traffic, please move. Cars, please move.
Relax. We have time. The airport is not far.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, jungles, and lots of animals.
I want to see a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
You? No phone? Impossible.
Here we are, Terminal 3.
Wow, look at all these people.
The airport is always busy in the morning.
Ah! I see airplanes. Real ones.
First, check-in time. Let's find the counter.
Mom, what does check-in mean? What does it mean?
We give our passports, and they give us tickets.
Good morning. Are you flying to Costa Rica?
Here are 2 big suitcases.
24 kilograms. That is fine. Here are your boarding passes.
What is a boarding pass?
It is like a ticket to the sky.
Now, security. We must take off our shoes.
Please remove metal items, belts, and coins.
Safety first. Here go my keys.
I am flying already!
Finally, coffee time. Who wants breakfast?
A sandwich, please. French fries. These are so good.
Careful. Don't spill on your shirt.
Mom, are there monkeys in Costa Rica? Are there monkey bees in Costa Rica?
Yes, lots of monkeys and colorful birds.
Wait. Did we pack the sunscreen?
Uh-oh. I think I left it at home.
We will buy some there. You are lucky, Hum. I love you.
Attention passengers. Boarding will begin at gate 22.
Yay! That is us! Let's go!
Next stop, adventure.
Okay, everyone find your seat.
I am ready. thing is so big.
Oh, we are going to go fast now.
Look! The ground is getting smaller.
Would you like something to drink? Orange juice for the kids, please.
These cookies are so tiny. What was that bump?
Just a little turbulence. Like a bumpy road.
Look, we are landing in San Jose.
We made it. Welcome to Costa Rica.
Look at that sign. It says Emmy Watson.
Hello. Are you the Emmy Watson family?
Emma, not Emmy. But yes, that is us.
He wrote Mom's name wrong.
Feel that air. It smells like flowers.
I hear birds. Are they parrots?
Let's go to the hotel. I need a bed.
Our new adventure begins.
Join us next time for more surprises in Costa Rica.